Now, the second big issue with NIDS is encrypted traffic. Remember, TLS provides end-to-end security, and what that means is that everybody in between the two end hosts cannot read traffic. If we put the NIDS at that border router, it's not one of the end hosts. The end hosts are the client's computer, the server's computer. The border router is not one of the two ends. Therefore, because it's not one of the two ends, it has no way to read the encrypted traffic. So it has no hope of detecting attacks. Everything is encrypted. We have no way of reading that message to understand whether or not it's an attack. One possible solution, although it's a little bit awkward, is to give the NIDS all of your private keys. So all of the employees give up their private keys and give them to the NIDS so that the NIDS is able to decrypt messages and inspect them to see if there are attacks. But this is kind of ugly. You've now broken the end-to-end security property that you had earlier, and it just feels a little bit weird that you have to give your private key to someone else and pretend or assume that they're not going to do anything bad with it. I don't want to have to give up my password unless I have to. So giving up my password to someone else just feels a little bit unsafe. But that's one possible solution if the NIDS has to deal with encrypted traffic.